Guys, what? You know it's that time, right? So, time for what? The cruise ship. Oh yeah, the cruise ship. Guys, we gotta get moving. We gotta get to the cruise ship. Oh yeah, Mega Gus, bought us tickets for the cruise ship. Yippee, I'm ready. Oh boy. Ha. Alright, everybody. Got your stuff ready? Yeah, now let's get to the cruise ship. Yippee. Okay, guys, we're waiting for the cruise ship to come, okay? There it is. It's finally here! All aboard. Come on in. Yippee. We will be getting our hotel room again. Yeah. Whoa, yippee. I can't believe we got a hotel room again. Yeah. Feels nice to have a hotel room again. Yeah. We're not just only staying for one day. We're actually staying for 3 days. Yippee. That's even better than before. Well, except our room door is different this time. But yeah. Let's continue to explore what's in the cruise ship.